ADHD usually was not good for people in ancient environments. Some people argue that maybe it was good at some point in time. We really can't say that it was. We have no way of knowing that, because the question is, well, why do those variants even exist? Well, it's possible that the variants exist because they might have done something else that was helpful, not ADHD, but something else that might have been helpful because, there were so many of them, and maybe say 100 of them were very useful for some other purpose. But what's really important for people to understand is that, ADHD, as far as we can tell, going back 30,000 years, was never really an adaptive trait. It wasn't. Some people do argue, oh, maybe if you had ADHD, you were inattentive somehow, you were more creative, and that helped you out there. But, that's all speculation. Because I can also say, if 30,000 years ago, I'm out in the savannas of Africa hunting a lion, I really shouldn't be inattentive. That's not going to be very useful for me. But again, that's all speculation. But what's hard science is that those genes have been disappearing from the population. Exactly what you said, that the variants that we believe cause ADHD have been decreasing over time with frequency. That's what we call the empirical finding. That's the data. Now, the interpretation one can make of that is one thing is very clear. When a gene or a piece of DNA is being eliminated from the population, it means it's not very useful in the population.